Have you ever met someone and just instantly liked them? Not because they said anything impressive, not because they were the funniest person in the room, just because something about them felt right. That's not random, and it's definitely not charm. There are 3 specific signals certain people send that make others like them almost immediately, and most of them don't even know they're doing it. Most people think likability is about being impressive, being funny, saying the right things. So they try harder, talk more, work to seem interesting. But here's what the psychology actually shows. People don't like you for what you say. They like you for how you make them feel. That's a completely different game. The 3 signals. Signal 1. Validate before you respond. Naturally likable people never jump straight to their opinion. They acknowledge yours first. Even a simple, "that makes sense," before disagreeing, creates something called psychological safety. Your brain reads that as warmth. And warmth is the #1 predictor of likability. Not confidence, not looks, not status. Signal 2. Real curiosity, not polite questions. There's a difference between asking something to be nice and actually wanting to know. People feel that gap instantly. When someone genuinely leans in, asks follow-ups, remembers what you said, your brain registers something specific. I matter to this person. And we instinctively like people who make us feel like we matter. Signal 3. They're not afraid to look imperfect. Most people assume naturally likable people are smooth, polished, never awkward. But psychologist Elliot Aronson found something surprising. People who occasionally show small imperfections are rated as significantly more likable than people who seem flawless. It's called the pratfall effect. Because perfection triggers something subtle in other people's brains, a quiet sense of threat, a gap they can't close. But the moment someone laughs at their own mistake, admits they don't know something, owns an awkward pause, that gap disappears. The brain stops comparing and starts connecting. Likable people aren't likable because they're impressive. They're likable because they make it safe to be human around them. And the fastest way to do that is to be human first. Here's the shift. You don't need to be more impressive. You need to be more present. Stop trying to say the right thing. Start actually paying attention. Acknowledge before you respond. Ask one more follow-up. And stop hiding behind the version of yourself you think people want to see. 3 signals. No performance, just real attention, and the psychology takes care of the rest. You're not unlikable. You're not bad with people. You've just been playing the wrong game. Likability isn't about being more. It's about making others feel seen. And making people feel seen, that's something you can build. If you haven't watched the body language video yet, start there. Because once people have read your body, this is what comes next. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. I'll see you in the next one.